First thing is compass calibration. Put that up. First with the horizontal axis, now the vertical axis. Okay, aircraft initializing. So we have to set it on a flat level surface. We hope. I'm gonna put it out here in case it does a return to home. Oh, there we go. That's a pretty good hover. That's a pretty stable hover so far. Not bad. Should be simplified a lot better than it is by now. But now that it's done, 2 days later, and we got it running, the result is fairly smooth. Flight characteristics are good. Hover's good. I mean, it's floating in about 15 knots of breeze right now, which is good. Oh, it sits there at a low idle. That's cool. Okay, shut it down. All right, you want to try? First test of the day in open water.
Area.
Okay, so let's try the first water landing, but you record it with the GoPro with the over-under housing. That way you can see the above the water and below the water and see exactly what the drone's doing in the same shot. Camera on the drone, we want the sun, so it's bright and clear.
I want to record very slow motion. Wait.
Well, I gotta admit, that was pretty cool. First impressions, good job, swellpro. I think you finally got it right with this one. I didn't have a single glitch the entire time. No video, no cutout, nothing unexpected. Did some torture testing on the water, dropped it in hard a few times. So far so good, but the battery's time to change the battery, so put another battery in, try again. Okay, so we just line up the battery and push it in. Give it a good nudge, boom, and then close the door, much like a GoPro door. Top latch and lock.
I want to see the quality.
We are good to go. Power up.
Oh, you are alive!
We'll have to do a test with it one day, but that was a good first test. Till the wind hit it. You see that? Whoa! The drone controlled it. You see that?
See?
The drone kept it under control.
What you should have done is after it went in the water, made the drone push it back to me.
Practice. We all need practice. waterproof.
Yeah, well, that's the key because I lost my Phantom 3 in the water.
Yeah,
So-
I think we've all lost something in the water.
Yeah,
I've lost a couple also.
uh,
Danny, where's your Phantom?
in the water.
Yes.
They made a good drone, and I like the fact that it's got that where you can attach something to it and drop it, like life
Yeah.
preserver.
The payload release, yeah.
Uh,
Or if you got a friend sitting on the beach and want to bring him a beer.
I want one.
But no matter what the country, the city, the street, by land or by sea, together forever is